Alrighty guys, so today I got frying pan because I'm gonna be testing which ammos. I don't have all the ammos, so don't judge me. I only have 3 ammos, or different kinds of ammos, so don't judge me. Don't judge me, is crazy. So here's the first one. So there's this. Boom, Don't worry, it isn't going to waste. I will put that in the sewing machine later, or I'll use it. Alright, and then the next one is like pistol or revolver ammo. Oh, I have like no money. Okay. Boom. Okay, none. It's a far fall if I fell, but where there's danger, they can't stop me now.